Want to replace junk food and drinks with healthy alternative? Then this salad is one of the best options. Looking for a refreshing, healthy meal that's quick and easy to make? Imagine a salad that's not only packed with vibrant flavors, but also helps boost your energy throughout the day. From crunchy cucumbers and juicy watermelon to the creamy goodness of mayo, this salad is perfect for a busy lifestyle. And the best part, it's super easy to prepare. Stick around to see how I put it all together in just a few minutes. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. So after washing, I start by cutting all the vegetables, starting with the watermelon. Take note that I am dicing the fruit for this recipe. All the except the egg. So I cut the cucumber by dicing everything. This salad is packed with vitamins and antioxidants from fresh fruits and veggies, helping to boost your immune system and improve digestion. Plus, the protein from eggs keeps you feeling full and satisfied, making it a perfect guilt-free meal option. Your body will thank you for this as you replace junk food with this healthy meal. If you are enjoying this salad recipe, make sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. By doing that, YouTube will help push my content to more viewers. So together, we can inspire more people to eat healthy, right? Alright, back to cutting of the vegetables. As you can see, cutting vegetable can be very tasking. So if you have a cutting machine or a food processor that can cut all the vegetables evenly, make use of it. And I want you to know, also you can use different vegetables of your choice. These are my choices for this particular salad recipe. You can swap one or two vegetables to any other one. And if you're in diaspora, make do with the type of fruit that you have available in your area. So now that we're finished cutting, look at it, look attractive and mellowish. So I'm going to dress it with, I'm using bama. You can use a bama if you have it in your area, or mayonnaise, or your customized dressing. So I mix everything together. Look, it's looking yummy. In fact, I love this color. If anytime I'm preparing this recipe, look at the color. It looks very nice. Now to top it up, I didn't mix the egg with it because I don't want it to fall apart. So I gently arrange or dress the salad with the egg, as you can see me do, and it's looking fine. So I cover with a clean film, and this is to preserve it and make it it is to cool it off and make it chill in the freezer. So I'm taking it off to the fridge I mean. So it is back from the refrigerator after about 30 minutes. And I tell you, this salad is ready for consumption. It looks attractive, it looks yummy. So I just dish a little to my salad plate. And guys, it's time to eat. Will you join me? So I just have a taste of it. Let me just take a little. Extra. It's yummy. It's very delicious. Will you try my recipe? Let me know in the comments. And your choices of fruits and vegetables. Maybe I can try it when next I prepare this recipe. Thank you for watching my video till now. I love you all. Thank you so much. Till next time. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.